Do you feel frustrated because you're not motivated to exercise? It's an all too common feeling. If you're busy, have a family to feed, and a house to clean, you simply feel you don't have time to devote to exercising. Many fun activities motivate you to exercise because they don't feel like you're exercising. We'll go over 3 of them in this video. 1. Dancing. If you've ever been to a club and danced the night away, you know your heart rate increases, your muscles begin to feel sore, you may be out of breath, and you may perspire. All of these are commonly associated with exercising. Thankfully, dancing doesn't feel like exercising, it just feels like fun. What is your favorite dance style? Hip-hop, jazz, salsa, samba, or waltz? If you don't feel like leaving the house, it's okay. You can put on your favorite songs to dance to and have a dance party with your partner and kids. 2. Play with the kiddos. Children are so active, and they have so much fun while they're doing it. Instead of sending your child outside to burn off some of their energy, put on your coat and shoes and go with them. 3. Take the dog for an extended walk. If you have a puppy or dog, you know they need exercise and to use the restroom outdoors. Take your pooch on a walk that is longer than the time it takes them to do their business. Hook the pooch up on their leash, pull on your coat and gloves, and walk around the block a time or 2 more than usual. Not only will this help your dog stay active and healthy, it will help with your weight loss and health goals as well. These are just a few of the activities that can get your body moving, pump up the heart rate, and make you sweat. If these don't appeal to you, perhaps you could volunteer to work in a local garden, go horseback riding, take up swimming, or learn to rock climb. The choice is yours. Thanks for watching.